bit extreme, so I take ecstasy to raise my self-esteem. But these pills got me thirsty. Pills got me sweating like a nonce in the nursery. I smoke less cause the good Lord cursed me. My weed got the same passport as Van Persie. You consign, you best reimburse me, or I will put you in a hearse, no mercy. Firstly, gotta let you know that my blow might just affect you adversely. I got this young chick waiting for me at home, and she knows the only answer to me alone. And it's not cause I'm handsome, no, it's cause her parents ain't responded to the ransom, no. Trying to fill up my hands with dough, cause I still got plans, you know. Might be dead, it won't stop me though. Reap what you sow. Cause I'm a fucking necrophiliac. Dead chicks on deck, blood's my aphrodisiac. I'm making snuff movies on my iPhone, Lube and a Google map. Dude, where's Siri at? You want food? I got a myriad. The whole spectrum of colours for you if you're feeling that. Brown sugar, white rocks and green leaves, red string, grey powder, anything. And a face that a lot of chicks fancy. Pose on my dick cause I look like Banksy. Bang, I got that white girl, Abigail Clancy. I'm wicked in the kitchen, call me Chef Ramsay. I'm in the graveyard, no rubbers on me. About to rape a zombie in my grey Abercrombie. Got my Walkman, listening to Zombie. Warming up on pictures of Chanel Rondi. I get her on that Diz, not the Alizé. Her eyes looking like a bitch out an anime. I drug her and fuck her in the alleyway. I'm joking, nurses won't let me out anyway. Straining all that came through today. Gotta stay a minimum 50 feet away. But Nigella, don't think you're safe. Caspiate. I'm as English as fruit and barley. Or HD sauce on your bacon sarnie. From a country where coke's no joke. Why the fuck you think the Queen named the son Charlie? Yeah, we fucking party. Middle fingers up like fuck the Tory party. They're about as far right wing as Nani. So we start riots like we just lost the derby. Yeah.